Very good morning. Welcome to Java programming tutorials. I will use NetBeans to explain this concept. Okay. Let us create a project in NetBeans, which is of Java type. And the project name is my project. If I enable create main class, then a package by name my project is created with a main method in it. You can see here, package is my project, and in that you have a main method. Class is also my project, and main method is there. Okay, now in the same package, let us create a new Java class. Okay, class name is say example1, ex1. Okay, let us assume that this class has two variables, x whose value is 10, y whose value is 20. Okay, this is a class. Now here I did not mention any access modifier type. If you do not mention anything, then it is by default. It is by default. Okay. So access control with following modifiers. First one is default. No access member explicitly. Okay, if it is default, then the members can be accessed within the package. Let us go to my project class. Here I create object of example1. Try to access x and y. Okay, now let us run it. You can see here x and y are accessed, though no access modifier is specified. Now let us create one more project. One more package, I'm sorry. This is your package, right? In your package, let us create a class. This is example2. Here I have two members. One is age. Second one is name. Okay. Okay. So this is in your package. Okay. Let us go to my project. Import your package. Okay, and try to create object of example2 and access name and age. Okay, ex2 dot name, we'll give some space, and ex2 dot age. Okay, this is ex2 dot java. Let us run it. Why? You cannot access a default member from another package. Or let us go here and make it public. Okay. Now let us go back to my project. Here I should put all, right? Okay. Let us try to run it. Let's do one thing. Let us not make it public first. Try to run the project. You can see red line there. Okay, because they are not public, you cannot access them. Make them public. Go to my project and run. So I think you understood the difference between default and public. Default, classes in the same package, public for classes in other package. Next, private. Let us make integer x private. So here we have a method which prints x square. Okay. Now let us go to main method. Create an object of example1. In example1, the values are x and y. Also call print method here. Now try to run it. There are errors. Here, though in the same class, because x is private, it cannot be accessed. Okay. It is fine if you don't print x. Because y is public. So try to print X, you face the wall because X is accessible in the class itself, not outside the class. Okay, but try to print Y, you are okay because Y is not private. Okay, but X is accessed by a method inside the class. Let us make Y also private. You cannot access it. You can see clearly red line there. Okay, so what does it mean? Private members can be accessed within the class only. Next, let us create one more class in my project package. Let us name it as child. It extends or inherits from example 1. Here both X and Y are private. Try to access both X and Y. In my project, I create an object of child. And try to run print method. Okay. I cannot do it because X and Y are private. Private members cannot be accessed even by subclass, whereas protected can. Now go to child Java. Let us make one of them as private. Go to my project and run it. There are issues. Make both protected. Child extends ex1. Absolutely fine. What is the method? Method is print. It's not child, it is ch. Okay, run it. So that is the difference. On the same package, from other packages as well. The same class, by inherited members. The same package. Okay. Let us try whether it can be done in other packages also. Now let us go to ex2. Here import my project. Inherit from, extends from ex1. Have a method try to access x and y. Okay. It clearly shows a red line. Which means that protected will provide access in the same package by inherited members. That's it. This is all about access control in Java. There are 4 modifiers default. 1 class members can be accessed by any class members in the same package. Public, 1 class members can be accessed by any class members in other packages also. Private, the class members within the class. Protected, inherited class members can access super class members. Okay, hope you understand it. Please do subscribe and give your feedback and comments. Thank you.